joined Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stella Academy produced Goa State Topper for JEE Main 2024. Register for Stella Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
पणजी शहरात सध्या स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम चालू आहे. पणजी स्मार्ट सिटीची डेडलाईन ही 31 मे असा. पण ह्याच्या आधी जे काम कंप्लीट झालं आणि कायच्या कामाची जी दुर्दशा अशी झाल्या का मिरामार बिचार एक्सेस जावपाक जाय त्या खातीर हो ब्रॉड वॉक डिझायन केल्लो. पर्पल फेस्टिवल जाल्या उपरांत गोंयांत जाल्ले ते नॅशनल गेम्स आणि नॅशनल गेम्सच्या टायमार जे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी असले त्यांचे इक्विपमेंट पावपाक म्हणून हांगासर जे ट्रक येताले ते ट्रक हांगा येवन ह्या ब्रॉड वॉकाचेर रावले आणि तेज्या उपरांत तेची ही अवस्था जाल्या. पर्पल फेस्टिवल जेन्ना सेकंड टायम गोंयांत जाताले तेन्ना डिसेबिलिटी रायट असोसिएशन हेंच्यांनी गव्हर्मेंटाक ह्या ब्रॉड वॉक पॅनलाची अवस्था कितें आसा हेची सुचोवणी सुद्दां दिल्ली पण तेजेर काय एक्शन जावंक ना.
That Broadway was very useful to persons with disability during the first Purple Fest, but after that it was broken, and till date the government has not repaired it, causing inconvenience to a lot of persons with disability who are going to the beach. Many people with disability are not able to visit the beach because this Broadway is broken. So and it is a total waste of public funds. So government should repair this Broadway at the earliest and ensure that the walkway is not damaged. Taken up the matter with the State Disability Commissioner. So, before the second Purple Fest, we had taken it up, but so far nothing has happened.